As more people begin to install the Android 15 update, they're gaining access to some of its great new features. Today, I wanted to highlight a new app archive option that can be a quick way to clear out some of your internal storage data. This is actually an improved feature that was first introduced with a Google Play Store update just over 1 year ago. So if you don't have Android 15 yet, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you how that feature works as well. If you find yourself low on storage with your Android smartphone or tablet, you could use this feature to clear up some things temporarily instead of having to uninstall the apps and then reinstall them later. It works by finding an application that you want to archive and then performing a long press gesture on the icon itself. We're going to then want to tap on the eye icon to bring us to the app info page. And if you wanted, you could also find this by diving into the Settings app, tapping on the Apps menu, and then finding an Android application that you want to archive from there. If you have Android 15 installed, on this app info page, you're going to see 3 options up here at the top. One for archiving the app, one for disabling or uninstalling the app, and then one that will allow you to force stop the application. Pre-installed apps will have the archive feature grayed out, so sadly we cannot use this on those. But when you want to archive an Android application, we're just going to tap on that button here. You'll see that it tells you the app has been archived. All of these options down here will be grayed out. And when we go back to the home screen, you'll find that that app icon is still there, but you'll see a cloud overlay displayed on top of it. And that's a reminder that this application has been archived and you will need access to the internet if you wish to restore it. And it's very easy to restore these applications. We just want to tap on the icon itself. You'll see a pending message there, and then it will go to the Google Play Store and re-download the contents for that application. Then, once it has been restored, we have access to it like normal. If you find that you're running short of storage space quite often, Android 15's new app archive feature also has an automated system in place that is actually enabled by default. This one surprised me, as I can't imagine people find it convenient when their third-party apps start to become archived without their permission. But if we dive back into the app info page for an application and then scroll down toward the bottom here, you'll see a toggle labeled Manage App if unused. So this will remove the permissions, delete the temporary files, and stop notifications while also archiving the app whenever you begin to run low on storage space. This feature is enabled by default on all third-party apps, so it's giving the operating system permission to archive it if you ever run low on storage space. So if you want to stop this feature from archiving apps without your permission, you'll want to go to the app info page, find this toggle, and then disable it from here. And do this for any apps that you are sure you want to keep on your device. If you don't have Android 15 yet, but you would still like your device to automatically archive applications when you begin to run low on space, then you can enable a similar feature within the Google Play Store application. So we do that by first launching the Play Store and then tapping on your profile image in the top right corner. From here, we're going to dive into the settings area and then look for the general section up here at the top. From now, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see an automatically archive apps feature. This is disabled by default, but we can turn it on with a simple tap. Just remember that when this feature has been turned on, you could find that some of your apps are archived without your knowledge. Again, you'll know which apps are archived and which are not with that same cloud overlay that appears on top of the icon itself. And you can restore those archived apps in the same way that I showed you earlier. But this can be a nice little feature that older versions of Android can use to help regain some storage space instead of having your apps spit out errors because they cannot save anything anymore. Now, I find it interesting that this feature is duplicated across the operating system level and as part of the Google Play Store. But I would rather see everyone have access to this rather than them be forced to wait until they can get the Android 15 update. However, I am not a fan of the Manage App If Unused toggle being enabled by default. I suspect there are going to be many people wondering why their favorite applications now have a cloud overlay on top of the icon. Thankfully, it doesn't take long to restore archived apps on Android, but what if you needed access to one of these apps while you do not have online connectivity? What if you needed to use your favorite map application and couldn't because you didn't have access to the internet and found that it was archived while you were taking photos or videos in some remote area? I do understand that Google is trying to resolve a pain point of people running out of storage space while they're trying to save a project or something. And hopefully the company has made it so that your less frequently launched apps are archived first in this way. But it's still an odd feature to have enabled by default. Now, I would like to hear what you all think about this down in the comments section below. And please, remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android tips like this.